Amazing. I know that you started with being on Facebook, and then you have a YouTube channel, and then now you have a TikTok. Can you give us a quick snapshot of all the platforms you're on and what you're doing there?
So I think it's really important as a content creator to be on multiple platforms, because you don't have the same viewers on every single platform. Those that are on Facebook are not on YouTube, or might not be on TikTok or on Instagram. So it's very important for you to maximize all the viewers that you can get and the different kind of content that you're creating. So the things that I post on Facebook, mostly on my page, are things that I post on my YouTube. But on TikTok, it's gonna be completely different. On Instagram, it's a little bit different. So on Instagram, I post more like teasers and posters of my YouTube videos, because you want those views on YouTube and not on Instagram. So I make sure that I put like snippets of the very exciting parts of my YouTube videos, and so people are more inclined to go onto YouTube and watch the full video. And on TikTok, I don't post a lot of my YouTube stuff at all. I posted like, I think, maybe 1 or 2 videos so far, but mostly I follow TikTok's ways of increasing viewers, right? So on TikTok, you're just doing dances, you're doing singing, you're doing random movie dialogues, you're just lip syncing to a bunch of stuff, you're just being really silly and having fun. And people don't want to see like big skits or, you know, short films, like made things. It's like all like in the moment, in your house, or, you know, on the street or whatever. Like that's the kind of videos people want to see. So you don't want to put a lot of your YouTube content on that. But I do combine them, of course. Like I have on my TikTok, I have my Instagram and YouTube link there, so that hopefully people that watch me on TikTok and be entertained, hopefully be entertained, they would follow me on Instagram and YouTube. And I have been seeing a lot more increases from there, so it's been really helpful.